In this video, I'm going to show you how to check if a Google Drive file is public on your Android phone. So the first thing you want to do is to most likely find the Google folder on your phone, and you'll find Google Drive there and you can open it. If you're not able to find it like that, swipe up and just simple type in Drive. You should see Google Drive here on your phone. If you're not able to find it, then you can download Google Drive from the Play Store. Now, once you're inside that, you want to find the file or folder that you want to check. And let's say I want to check this file right here. I'm going to click the three dots next to the file, and here I'll find the option to manage the access or the permission, right? So I'm going to tap on manage access. Right here, again, see under the general access, it shows that anyone with this link can actually view this file. So this file is currently public. Now to change that, I can just tap on change, and I can switch this from anyone with the file to restricted. It's going to do a quick update right there, and now it's all set. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.